Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be here today to give you a little unboxing, which I haven't done in a long time. Except for the unboxing, I just did a FabFitFun, so not a long time, but I haven't done one of these in a long time. It is my Boxy Charm. So we're gonna do an unboxing of this month's Boxy Charm today. I'm gonna show you guys what I think of the products. I have used most of them and how much they cost and everything. If you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. It's $21 a month depending on where you live. There's taxes and whatever, but I think I pay like $22 and some change. So it used to be only $21 and then their taxes or something changed for New York State, which is where I live. And so anyway, yeah, I pay $22 and some change now, which is fine. It's still totally worth it. And so I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So let's jump right in. So you get this cute little card. They change these up, I feel like, quite frequently as far as like what they look like. It used to be like a fold out thing. It used to be like a little card before that. Like it always changes. So we get the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. Now, this is like one of my favorite things that I was excited about. I love when we get palettes, not because I need palettes, because one of these days I'll show you what's behind these curtains here and you'll see all the palettes. This is like the cutest little palette. I love the color of it. It's like a pretty, what color would we say this is? Copper. I would say it's like a pretty copper color. It comes with 5 shades in it. It comes with a cute little brush. I have used this once, but look at those shades. They're so fall appropriate and gorgeous. They're pretty pigmented. I love that about a shadow because I feel like the more pigmentation they have, it's easier to build up the color and you can always blend it out. Just blend until your fingers fall off and you'll be safe. But they do blend out really, really nicely, and it has a nice little mirror, which is great. And it's a nice mirror. Like sometimes the mirrors, they're not so great. Let me just fix my makeup while I'm here in the mirror. Love this cute little palette. It works amazing for blending and it's super fall appropriate. This palette retails for $32, so already you have your box. And then some. So that's really great. That's the first product. The next product that I actually almost bought a while back and I didn't because it was pretty pricey for what it is, but now it's in my Boxycharm. So it's the Iconic London Prep Set Glow. So it's a really pretty, you can see it has like shimmer in it and you can spray this on your face before makeup, after makeup, and it just gives your skin a nice healthy glow. This is because, okay, hi, I'm Tracy and I have really oily skin. So this is not good for my personal skin type, but occasionally I do really like to have that really glowy look, especially in the summertime when I don't have like full glam on or full coverage foundation. I will use more of my Makeup Forever Skin Tint Blur, which is really, really great, but it's very light coverage. I would spray this on because you want that glow, especially for your body. Ladies, you can use this on your body and give it a really nice, pretty glow too, and I'm all about that. This retails for $29. So when I was going to purchase it months ago, I didn't because I was like, oh, 30 bucks and it's not, I'm going to use it like once a year. It's not really great, but I'm kind of excited that it came in here because it's a really, really awesome product. And the mister, ooh, and it smells nice. It smells luxury, if that makes sense. Okay, so the last 3 are kind of like meh for me. I'm kind of excited to try this one, but it's not something I would have chosen. So this is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Now, I'm very picky when it comes to my mascaras. So, to say the least, like, I was not excited about this. I don't like getting mascaras in my boxes because I feel like I know what I like. I can tell by the wand and just what it looks like on the wand if I'm going to like it. And this one, it has like a thicker side that you would use obviously for like your top lashes. And then it has a thinner side that you can use for your bottom lashes. Now, I will say I love this idea. Like more mascaras need to come up with this idea. Like, look how fine this teeny tiny little side is. You can get right in there to get your lower lashes. So I am going to try this at least for my lower lashes. I will try this probably for my uppers, but I just know I'm not going to like it. The mascara itself is too thick of a formula. The brush is not the type of brush that I usually like to use. But we will try it at some point and let you guys know what I think. But I'm excited about this idea. I really, because I am, you know, the extra person who likes to use 2 different mascaras. One for my uppers and one for my lowers, because I like a finer mascara for my lowers and more of a liquidy formula for my lowers, if that makes sense. So I do that. So I like this concept, and I think that more mascaras should come out with something like this. Or even if they come up with it separately, like come out with a lower lash line mascara, because it is a different mascara. Like, you can't use the ginormous brushes like the Better Than Sex mascara on your lower lash line, because it just doesn't work like that. Or my favorite Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir, huge jumbo thing I love for my uppers, but you can't use it on your lower lashes. It's just not the same. You have to have a teeny tiny little wand like this. It just makes more sense. So I love this idea. And this retails for $19. So there's that. The next thing that I will try, but I don't know for sure if it'll match. This is by Mellow Cosmetics. It's a tinted brow gel. So this retails for $16. They gave me the shade dark brown. It'll probably be okay. I like my brow gels to be a little more warm because I do have red hair. But if I'm not using, and this is like a really big wand for a brow gel. Usually brow gel wands are a little bit smaller, but we're going to give it a try. I think it might be a little too neutral for me. Like I said, I like to might have my brow gels be a little bit more warm, but we're going to give it a try. I'm going to try it out and see how I feel about it. And then this retails, oh, I already told you, $16, which is kind of pricey for a brow gel. I don't know if I really, so, oh, maybe it's not. The Anastasia brow gel is my favorite right now, and I love it in the shade Auburn because it kind of matches my hair. It just makes it so my brows match my hair without matching my hair, if that makes sense. So I don't have red brows, but it adds like that warmth that I like to have. Okay, the last product I could have for sure done without. Like, I don't ever use these, really ever, because I find that they're more drying. So this is a Hollywood in Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner. It's just a black liner. If I never got another black liner, it would be too soon. I get these in all of my beauty boxes. It's either a felt tip liner, it can be a pencil liner. That it is very creamy. So maybe, maybe. I might try putting this in my kit to see how it goes on the waterline. Well, I'll probably try it on myself to see how it does on the waterline. And if I like it, I might purchase it for my kit because I do prefer to have sharpenable, is that a word? Pencils that I can sharpen for my kit because I feel it's more sanitary than the mechanical ones. But sometimes the mechanical ones are just creamier and they're richer in pigment and more opaque. So I like those sometimes better. But we're going to give this a try on my waterline and see how it lasts. There aren't too many that will last on the waterline. I feel like the waterline is the true test of a liner because if it doesn't last there, it's for surely not going to last on your lid. It will smudge and smear and do whatever and disappear. Like, it's not going to be there in 2 hours. So I'm going to try it on my inner waterline and see how it lasts. But it's a ginormous pencil. Like, you get a lot of product. I will say that. And it retails for $7 hairs. This is not something I would prefer to have in my Boxycharm. I like that we get full-size products. I like that we get, most of the time, pretty prestige products. And then occasionally they'll throw a random liner from some random makeup company that nobody's ever heard of in there. And it's like, meh. But it's $20. The box is $20. Let's see how much the whole box is worth. All right, so the whole box retails for $103. You're spending $20. Usually I feel like it retails for closer to $150, which kind of like $140 maybe, which gets me a little more excited. Like I said, this $7 product, it's not it for me. I feel like they could have totally put something else in here that would have spiced it up. I like when we don't get all cosmetics. I like when we get maybe, not a lotion because I feel like I get those a ton too, but like a hair product. Or I've gotten like a shampoo and conditioner in here before. which has been nice. So I like getting different products, not always just makeup, because these are beauty boxes. They're not makeup boxes. So I do like when I get different products. So I would have preferred to have something else in here other than this kohl liner. But for those of you that are not makeup freaks like myself, you probably don't mind getting a black liner because you can always use a black liner. I feel like it's a go-to staple for everybody's makeup bag. So it may not have been a bad choice for Boxycharm. It just wasn't my favorite. So let me know if you get Boxycharm and what you got, because there are different variations of the box. They do have their Boxy Luxe, which is like an extended version of their Boxycharm that you can get 4 times a year, I think. And it's like an additional $28 or something, but you get like 9 to 12 full-size products. So you get a little bit more, which I did try a few times. I stopped it for my own reasons. But I love beauty boxes, you guys. Beauty boxes are like my favorite thing. And now that I'm back filming sometimes, maybe we'll get some more beauty boxes up in here. Let me know if there's any beauty boxes that you guys have, love, tried, and I should try, because I love beauty boxes. I do also get the Morphe Me subscription for brushes. I did just cancel it because if you guys saw my brush collection, you would be like, girl, what are you doing with your life? Just buying makeup brushes, apparently. So I do also, on that note, have a ton of giveaway stuff that I need to do. So if you guys want to see a giveaway and what would you like to see in the giveaway, let me know in the comments below so we can get that put together and come up with a giveaway for you guys, because I would love to do that for you. Other than that, I think that's it. That's my Boxycharm of the month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more unboxings, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you guys did enjoy it, and subscribe down below. It's the little red button. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, which will hopefully be more frequently. So I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a very blessed week, and I will see you next time. Bye. People should not give me a swivel chair. I can't sit still.